Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating data validation. It's aimed at MacEwan University students taking business computing, and you can download the Excel highlights file using the link below. So I'm here on the VLOOKUP worksheet, and it looks like we're already done here, but I want to do a variation. So I want to get rid of what we have under customer status. So I'm just going to delete that. And rather than using a lookup table, we're going to use a type of data validation to actually create little pull-down menus so that a user could select data from a list rather than typing in data by hand. So here's how we're going to do this. I'm going to put my cursor on the first cell, and I'm going to go up to the data menu and under data validation, and I'm going to choose the option called data validation, and under allow I'm going to select list. So we're going to use a list of items here, bronze, silver, gold, etc., as our source. So down here under source I'm going to select that range, bronze, silver, etc., and I'm going to click OK. So now I have this extra little handle here where I can select from a list of items. Before I do that, I want to fill this down, so I'm just going to grab the handle and drag that downward to fill that in for all the rows. Okay, back in the first cell, I'm going to select maybe silver for that one. For the second one, maybe it's platinum. For the third one, perhaps it's diamond. For the fourth one, perhaps it's silver again. So this is often used when you're handing off a spreadsheet to a less experienced user, and you want to restrict what kind of data they can put into the spreadsheet. So this way there can be no misspellings, no problems with upper and lower case, because they have to pick from a menu. And that's it. Thanks for watching.